Welcome to Mr. English Channel Academy.
Hello, welcome back. Welcome back to Mr. English Channel Academy. Today is day 4. We have 10 more realish questions and answers for you. Are you ready? Let's go.
Jake, do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English. Do you speak English, Emma?
Yes, I love speaking English.
Emma, what is your phone number?
My phone number is 551234. What is your phone number, Jake?
My phone number is 555-5678. Emma, how do you spell your name?
E-M-M-A. Emma, how do you spell your name, Jake?
J-A-K-E. Jake. Emma, are you married?
No, I am not married. I am single. Are you married, Jake?
No, I am not married either. I am single too.
Jake, do you have any children?
No, I do not have any children. Do you have any children, Emma?
No, I do not have any children. Not yet.
Where do you work, Emma?
I work in a school. I am an English teacher. Where do you work, Jake?
I work in an office. I am a writer. Emma, how do you feel today?
I feel a little tired today, but I am happy.
I feel great today. I had a good sleep last night. Emma, what is your address?
I live at number 12 Oak Street. What is your address, Jake?
I live at number 5 Maple Avenue.
Jake, do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel. My dream is to visit every country. Do you like to travel, Emma?
Yes, I absolutely love to travel. Travel is the best.
Emma, what language do you speak?
I speak English and a little Spanish.
I speak English and a little French. What language do you speak? Now it is your turn. Tell us in the comments. What language do you speak? Write your answer below. We want to read it.
If this video helped you, please give it a big like and subscribe to Mr. English Channel Academy for a new lesson every week. Day 5 is coming soon. See you next time.
Bye.